What's good everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here which is MintKrypt. I just saw an update online, then I decided to make a video guide for us. Since my channel is on cryptocurrency, there is airdrops and earning apps, and also stock updates and also forex trading. So this particular update is related to the forex trading industry and also the cryptocurrency industry. We have a prop that is giving out free funded accounts to traders, and the name of this prop firm is vprop trader. I'll be dropping a link to register in this video description. So registering for the first time, you're going to claim a free $1,000 prop firm account, so which you just have to trade. You have to trade their phase 1 and also phase 2 to get funded, and you can also position for the one-step challenge, which you only need to download their app. Then you just have to start trading. So once you pass your phase 1 of the account, you're going to be given a funded account. So this is a big opportunity for us traders that are looking for account to trade with. So on my screen now, I'm on the website vprop trader. Then you see this Christmas sale. This is actually a Christmas sale, so you see buy one get one free. You can also decide to buy from them, and they will also be giving you an account for free. So let's just scroll down. You see the moderate value here. We have the 2-step account giveaway, and also we have the 1-step. But for this 1-step, you have to download the app. Immediately you download the app, then you have to go to create an account. After you've created an account, then you have to just click on the get for free. You are going to be given an instant $1,000 prop firm account. So you just have to make $100 on the account. So once you've made $100, you're going to be given a funded account which you can start to trade with, and any profits you're making from the account, you're going to be able to withdraw. So let's just get straight into this video. So now on your website, you're going to be seeing the 2 ways you can get the account. So I can decide to go with the 2-step, which is the first one, or I can go with the second one, which is the 1-step. I just have to download the app. I'll be taking over to the sign up page. So what I just have to do is I have to click on the sign up. Then I just need to go to select my country. I need to enter my email address, then code, and also my phone number, and the referral is also optional. Then you just go to click on this register button. So let's just go to do that right now. Okay, so you see that my account has been created here. So you see you can go to complete a verification here, but you can also go to start an account. So when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing this free funded account for everybody. Since you're using this profile for the first time, so you can get a free funded account. The profit target 5 to 10%. That is for the first phase 10%, second phase 5%. So once you are able to pass this, you are going to be given a funded account. So let's just go to register right now. You'll be seeing the challenge step here, so you can go through the 1-step to get to know on how it works. So you see profit target for the 1-step 10%, loss limit, max loss limit is 10%, and you also be seeing the funded account too. No profit target, 10% loss limit, and all that. So you can also decide to download their app to get the 1-step instead of you trading phase 2. So you won't be trading phase 2 for the 1-step. You just be going directly to the funded account once you pass their step 1. Okay, so I'm just going to be going with this. I'll click on this free challenge. Then I need to select the challenge type. So if it's the 1-step or if it's the 2-step. So if you want to go with the 1-step, you have to make sure that you already downloaded their app and you're performing all this directly on their app. So we see the account balance now. I won't be paying any amount here, so I just have to scroll down. Then I'll select the platform MT5. I'm okay with that. So what I just need to do is I need to click on this I agree with all the following terms. Then I'll just click on this free challenge. So choose the payment method now. I need to select wallet balance. Then I'll just click on this proceed to payment. So immediately I do this, I'm going to be given a funded account. So you see my balance is $1,000 account. Then you see the profit target I need to make $100. That is, I can start fixing 1% to target 10%. That is 1 to 10 trade setup, or I can just target 1 to 5. Then I'll be able to trade it within 2 days. Challenge type 2-step. Maximum daily loss is $50, so you must not lose below this This is the maximum daily loss, $50, while the maximum total loss on the account you can make is $100. So since you're okay with this, you can start trading. And for you to get the login information, so just click on this login information, and for you to check the details on how you are trading your accounts on the progress, so you can just go to check the details there. So once you've completed the challenge and you've been funded, so you can just go to verify your account by just coming over to the verify here. Then you can start withdrawing immediately. So guys, I just saw this update online, then I said I should make a video guide on how to go through for every one of us that need a free funded account. So guys, that will be all for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all my social pages on Twitter, Telegram and YouTube. Have a nice day guys.